Hi, friends. Welcome to Math Lab. I'm Miss Jenny, and I am so glad you're here. In today's lesson, we're going to begin learning how to sort objects into categories. But before we do that, we have to learn about two very important words. The first word that we're going to learn about is alike. Alike means the same. Like, for example, my two dots are the same color. The other word that we're going to learn about is different. Different means not the same. Like my dots are different colors. To explore alike and different, we have a fun mystery bag. And we're going to explore these objects inside my mystery bag to see which objects are alike, meaning the same, and which objects are different, meaning not the same. Let's get started. Friends, the two words we are learning in today's lesson, alike and different. Alike means the same. Different means not the same. So let's take a look at the objects inside the mystery bag. Here we go. Oh, interesting. I see I have some markers. I see I have some crayons. And I see I have some teddy bears. Oh, very interesting. What do you notice about these objects? Are any of these objects the same, meaning alike? Hmm. Oh, these objects are the same because they're the same thick markers or the same size. Ooh, these markers are alike or the same because they're the same size. They're thin markers. And ooh, let's look at my crayons. And interesting. Whoops, look, one more. Interesting. These objects are alike because they are all crayons. And whoops, one more. Take a look at these objects. These objects are alike because they are all the same object. They are all counting teddy bears. Now, I'm going to put my group side by side. What do you notice that's different about my objects? Remember, different means not the same. Oh, did you notice? I see three colors. So I'm going to mix them all up. And let's see. These objects are alike because they are all the same color. Let's see. Oh, these objects are alike because they're all the same color. And oh, look at this. All of these objects are alike because they're the same color. Now let me show you two objects. Let's take a look at these objects in this group. How are these objects the same? Meaning, how are they alike? And how are these objects different? Meaning, not the same. Tell your learning coach. Oh, they're the same color. They're all red, but they're different objects. This is a crayon, this is a thick marker, and then this is a thin marker. Great job, my friends. Give yourselves a five-finger woo for a job well done. Woo!